Hey guys, what's up? It's my favorite name today, and it's going to be Palantir. Really super important. I just want to go over quickly here the sticky note, because this is where I sort of base all my morning ideas off of. We're trying to find names that are either at key levels, that are somewhere, that we can execute on. And right down here today, we actually talked about it. These stocks that have high PEs, I wrote down here high value. It's not a value stock. It has a high valuation on it. But, watch out for this dip down to 20. That's what we talked about right there. So get long on that dip to 20. So that's what we're looking for. We also have a few other names on here, but you can find this at Trader TV Sean. It's the sticky note. So we can close that right now, and we'll go over, and then we'll just say, look, why did we like the long 20? So, I just have here a 20-minute chart here. Very, very easy to see. You can see this bottom of 20. We've identified it right here for you. So it's bounced off a couple times. Some of these wicks, they haven't touched 20 exactly, but hey, if we're not going to trade on, it's like that Tesla 1000. You got to look at even dollars all the time. Just like we'll look at 25, we'll look at 30. Now we're looking at 20. And look what happened. That's a testing trade. There's nothing's happening there. But here we go. The market opens up. And today the NASDAQ was red. We started the day red. So, although we liked Palantir, we were very, very patient waiting for the spot. As it opens up, it starts to tank down. We take our first bid here at 2015. Okay, so now we're long. We've got a good little long happening. But we are waiting to load up down at our key level, which happens to be right down here at 20. So this line carries forward. There's $20. Basically, amazing to have this tick here. I almost feel like we could NFT this thing. We get this tick down here at 20.05, I believe it was. And I'm always going to do that. Normally I'm at 11s or 8s or something like that, but it comes back down. We get this low. This might even been 8, but either way, it looks like it's 20.05. We take that bid. Then we just start taking it out. It actually comes right back in. Forget about VWAP. It's off the open. Has nothing to do with anything. But then we start getting the majority of them out around 20 and 25. Remember, the market is heading southbound at this time. Palantir's been super weak, as we can see over here on this side, right? So there's almost no green. Everything you're seeing on here is red. So we look over here, we take the long, and then it just starts to come back into this pre-market level. So that's where we really start getting the majority of them out, 30, 35s, 40s, things like that. And then we're like, okay, here we go. The market starts turning around, and we feel like we have Palantir. A lot of these names, like a UiPath, like a Palantir, like an Airbnb today, some of the beatdown names start to get their feet under them today for some reason. And here it goes, banging it back up to the upside. And this is where we start to use some of these pre-market highs now. Out 65, out 70. Okay, this is going great. Then it rips up about $1 into the money for us up here near 20, more than $1, 21 and change. When that's happening, we say, you know what, this has been a great trade. Let's just start to ease out of this one last time. We put our stop order in right here. It breaks down below 21 and we get out for a 90, 95 cent winner. It's your trade of the day. Today it's Palantir. And although there's only one fill here really, it's about being patient. It's about waiting for that key level. And I think we nailed this with Palantir. We got wicked out on NVIDIA, but this one on Palantir, it holds 20 and now it's upside. It's your trade of the day.